Hello there guys, it's your boy Joel, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, my hair dyed. It's still not completely finished. We're going to have to dye it again in a couple of weeks, but we're just going to give my hair a bit of a rest. Just went from dark brown to this kind of like sandy blonde. So yeah, getting used to that at the moment. I don't know if you saw on my Instagram story, at Gallucks if you don't follow already, I told you guys about the new Balenciaga Mr. Porter capsule collection that released a couple... Oh, I have something cooking on the oven. 1 second, I was just steaming some dumplings and I really didn't want to like over steam them. Is that a thing? No, I don't know. And if you are new to my channel and you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. But yes, I told you guys about the new Balenciaga Mr. Porter capsule collection. Loads and loads of really cool pieces. I'll show you some here at the moment. I've got them here on my laptop. Got like red hoodies, red t-shirt, 3 new types of shoes. So we've got a new colorway of the Balenciaga Triple S, that kind of thing. I'm still waiting for my neon green and grey Triple S from Spring Summer 18 that I pre-ordered last summer when I was in Paris Fashion Week. If you go and watch my vlog, you'll see me pre-ordering them. They're still on the Balenciaga website. It said they'd be shipped on the 30th of December. And since 30th of December till now, we're near the end of January, it says, our warehouse has received your order and is awaiting shipment or something. And so I emailed Balenciaga last week to be like, yo, what's up? And nothing. No reply. So they might be a really cool brand, but their customer service is... And they got 2 new speedrunner styles as well. They did exclusive caps, leather jackets, loads and loads of really cool pieces. And I just think it's cool that Mr. Porter teamed up with Balenciaga, especially right now at the moment. So I copped a pair of sneakers because why not? And as you guys know, I did a video selling most of my sneaker collection because I thought it was time for a change, and a lot of them I didn't really wear anymore. So I was like, do you know what? I'm gonna start fresh. So I ordered a new pair of sneakers. Dum dum dum. So I thought I would unbox them here with you guys on the video to see my initial reactions. Thank you for your order, blah blah blah. Mr. Porter always does really nice kind of packaging. That little Balenciaga box. To be honest, I thought it would have like a Mr. Porter Balenciaga kind of special box, but it's fine. I'm gonna open it this way, so you can see them before I can, if you can even see them. Bum bum bum. Why do I make noises like a magician? I really annoy myself when I do this. Ta-da! Can't really see them. It is the Speedrunner in the new grey, black, white, red colourway. So I did have a pair of these and I've literally just sold them, and then in my head I was like, I really want them back. Because I did wear them so much last year, they were really, really easy to wear. And when I saw this new grey colourway, and I'm obsessed with grey at the moment, I'm just trying to like collect grey clothing, so I thought these were so nice. And the red Balenciaga logo on the back is a really nice addition, and that the sole is not just white anymore, it's like black and white, so they'll show dirt less on the bottom, which is good. So I thought I could get them and take them to LA and Singapore with me when I go on my travels. And because they're an exclusive for the Mr. Porter thing, I kind of just wanted to get a pair to see what they were like. But yeah, I got them in a UK 9 because my last speedrunners were UK 9 and they were true to size, so that's what I got in these as well. Yeah, I was expecting more of like a Mr. Porter and Balenciaga kind of vibe, but no. But they came next day delivery. It said it was going to take 3 days and they literally came the day after I ordered them. So that is awesome. Packaging is always really nice, as usual. Got a big dust bag there as well. So yeah, these are the Balenciaga Mr. Porter grey, what do they call them exactly? Speed sock stretch knit slip-on sneakers. That is a mouthful. I'm just going to call them speedrunners because that's what they're called. But yeah, I will try these bad boys on for you and show you what they look like on. At the time of filming this video, there are still sizes in a few of the sneakers, not the Triple S because the Triple S sold out straight away, but there are still some t-shirts left, there are still some hoodies, and there are still some sock sneakers in the black and the white, so I will leave links in the description below. These were a hefty $4.95, considering that my first pair of speedrunners were $3.65. This is a massive kind of price increase, but it's because the demand has gone up a lot more. But yeah, I thought these were sick, so I thought I would grab a pair. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I've got another sneaker unboxing coming for you very soon, which I'm very, very excited about. I've been waiting a long time for these. And it's not the Balenciaga Neon Triple S, which I'm still waiting for, but I'll give you an update on those soon. But anyway, yeah, that was the Mr. Porter Balenciaga unboxing. I'd love to know what you guys think of the capsule collection, what you think of these sneakers themselves, and let me know in the comments below. If you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.